Welcome back to Boss Gadgets. Today we are looking at 30 EDC gear and everyday gadgets you can score on Amazon right now. Let's get started. If your pockets are constantly bulging with loose gear, the MAXPEDITION Platy Pocket Organizer is exactly what you need. This insanely rugged nylon pouch has a flat profile that slides perfectly into your pocket, but unzips to reveal the ultimate organization system. With heavy-duty elastic loops, it holds your favorite flashlights, multi-tools, pens, and notebooks securely in place. You can even wear it as a neck wallet with the included paracord. The INIU 10,000 mAh portable charger is the thinnest, sleekest power bank you will ever slide into your pocket. Seriously, it's thinner than most smartphones. It's packed with fast-charging USB-C tech to get your devices from 0 to 50% in no time. Plus, it features INIU's awesome signature paw print LED indicator, so you always know exactly how much juice you have left. This is an absolute must-have travel essential for your EDC loadout. Flashlights used to be bulky and annoying to carry, but the OLIGHT ArkPro completely changes the game. This beast features an ultra-slim, flat profile that slips into your pocket and sits flush, just like a pocket knife. But don't let the sleek size fool you. It blasts an insanely bright floodlight that will light up your entire backyard with ease. Throw in the rugged aluminum body and OLIGHT's legendary magnetic USB charging, and you'll never want a round flashlight again. Every good EDC setup needs an emergency repair kit, and this 27-piece Fiskars travel kit is the ultimate pocket lifesaver. It is ridiculously compact, fitting right into the palm of your hand, your glove box, or your sling bag. It comes packed with everything you need: pre-threaded needles, buttons, safety pins, and most importantly, a tiny pair of legendary Fiskars scissors that actually cut. For just a few bucks, this little kit will literally save your wardrobe when you're on the go. If you hate carrying bulky multi-tools, you need the Funbro carabiner on your keychain right now. Made from tough stainless steel, it functions as a super secure clip for your keys, but it hides a super stealthy 1.34-inch razor-sharp folding blade right inside the frame. It's the absolute perfect size for opening Amazon packages, cutting paracord, or handling everyday tasks without intimidating anyone around you. The MR.GREEN innovative clippers look like a literal transformer and are an absolute must-have for your travel bag. They fold down incredibly flat, but pop open to reveal medical-grade stainless steel blades that will slice through the thickest nails like butter. The absolute best part? They have a built-in anti-splash catcher so clippings don't fly across the room. Sleek, sharp, and totally mess-free. This might be the most capable tiny tool you will ever own. The WORKPRO mini water pump plier is just 4 inches long, slipping into any pocket, but it packs the grip strength of a massive wrench. It features a genius 15-position push-lock button, letting you instantly adjust the V-jaws to lock onto literally any bolt, pipe, or hex shape. Heat-treated steel means it will never strip or bend. An absolute powerhouse for your EDC loadout. The CHAOREN Ratchet Tactical Belt is upgrade for your everyday carry. Instead of standard holes, it uses a hidden track system with micro adjustments, giving you the absolute perfect fit every single time, even after a huge meal. The heavy-duty nylon is stiff enough to hold all your pocket gear without sagging, and the quick-release buckle lets you pop it off in a split second. Strong, sleek, and insanely comfortable. Stop breaking your fingernails or snapping your expensive knife blades. The Mighty Bar is a microscopic, heavy-duty pry bar that lives right on your keychain. For just a few bucks, this tiny slab of solid stainless steel does all the dirty work your other tools can't handle. Use it to rip open boxes, pry out stubborn staples, pop open paint cans, or scrape flat surfaces. It is practically indestructible, incredibly stealthy, and weighs almost nothing. Throwing away flimsy plastic forks every single day is over. The Quatish portable silverware set gives you a premium dining experience anywhere you go. This kit includes a full-sized fork, knife, spoon, and even metal chopsticks, all forged from high-quality food-grade stainless steel. It all packs down into a quiet, rattle-free travel case that easily slips into your backpack, desk drawer, or glove box. Perfect for office lunches, camping, and eating on the go. If you hate heavy multi-tools weighing your pants down, the Leatherman Tool is the ultimate minimalist upgrade. They stripped away all the bulky tools you never use, leaving you with only the absolute essentials: heavy-duty pliers, wire cutters, a razor-sharp combo blade, and a versatile bit driver. It weighs a shockingly light 5 ounces and features a built-in carabiner that doubles as a bottle opener. It's the perfect streamlined everyday carry tool. You never realize how much you need a good pair of scissors until you don't have them. These Fiskars designer folding scissors are the ultimate travel hack. They fold up into a completely safe, blunt little package that fits perfectly on your keychain or inside a minimal EDC pouch. But when you unfold them, you get legendary Fiskars stainless steel blades that cleanly slice through threads, tags, and packaging in a second. Seriously, do not leave home without these. If you work with tech, glasses, or small electronics, the Klein Tool's pocket screwdriver is an absolute lifesaver. It looks and carries exactly like a standard pen with a super secure pocket clip, but it hides a rugged precision screwdriver inside. The barrel flips around to give you 4 different microbit sizes, perfect for tightening loose glasses, opening laptop cases, or swapping batteries in your gadgets. Looking for a tough, reliable EDC knife that won't break the bank? The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife is an absolute beast for the price. It features a tactical black high-carbon stainless steel blade with partial serrations, making it perfect for slicing right through thick ropes or stubborn clamshell packaging. The lightweight aluminum handle offers incredible grip, and the pocket clip keeps it locked securely in place. This is not your average money clip. The Gerber GDC combines a sleek, titanium-coated wallet with a totally hidden, razor-sharp, fixed-blade knife. It securely holds up to 5 of your essential credit cards, keeping your pocket footprint incredibly minimal. But when you need to open a box or cut a cord, simply pull the stealthy 1.75-inch blade right out of the sheath. It features a finger ring for an ultra-secure grip. The ultimate urban EDC gadget. If you are constantly clicking your pen or tapping your desk, you need the ITOKEY fidget slider right now. This heavy-duty metal EDC fidget toy uses internal magnets to create the most satisfying, tactile, click-clack feedback you will ever feel. It's the perfect pocket-sized tool to help you focus, kill anxiety, and keep your hands busy during long meetings or stressful commutes. Trust me, once you start sliding this thing, you will not be able to put it down. This gadget completely blew my mind. If you have an old Zippo lighter case laying around, the Zippo BitSafe insert transforms it into a stealthy pocket toolkit. Instead of lighter fluid and a flame, this genius insert securely holds 4 interchangeable screwdriver bits and features a magnetic bit driver right at the top. It slides perfectly into your standard Zippo case, giving you a full-on EDC screwdriver with that iconic Zippo click. Check the link to upgrade yours. It is time to ditch that massive, back-breaking wallet. The ZooBoot Slim Wallet is a massive upgrade to your everyday carry. Wrapped in premium materials, this smart wallet features an aluminum core with RFID blocking tech to keep your data safe from skimmers. The absolute best part? Just pull the quick access trigger, and your cards fan out perfectly staggered, so you instantly find the one you need without digging. If you've outgrown your pockets but don't want to carry a bulky backpack, the DEYACE waterproof sling bag is the ultimate middle ground. This sleek, modern crossbody bag is built from premium water-repellent materials to protect your expensive gear from the elements. It features intelligently designed compartments that perfectly hold your phone, wallet, keys, and power banks without looking bulky. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or traveling, this sling is an absolute essential. If you are a heavy sweater, these DRYKI pocket towels are an absolute lifesaver. They look exactly like a premium, stylish handkerchief, but they are actually made from hyper-absorbent, odor-free microfiber. They instantly soak up sweat from your face, neck, and hands while drying out incredibly fast, so they never get musty in your pocket. They are insanely stealthy, perfectly pocket-sized, and keep you looking completely fresh during summer commutes or high-stress meetings. We all love multi-tools, but sometimes you don't need bulky pliers weighing you down. The Gerber Lockdown Slim is a pocket powerhouse that swaps the pliers for a heavy-duty, cast-iron tough pry bar. You also get a razor-sharp blade, spring-loaded scissors, and a bottle opener. All packed into a sleek, minimalist bronze chassis that practically disappears into your pocket with its deep carry clip. If you pry, scrape, and cut every day, this is your ultimate EDC. Stop ripping your expensive belt loops with cheap, sharp carabiners. The KeyUnity KS02 is a premium keychain clip forged from super tough martensitic stainless steel. The genius of this design is that it doesn't use any springs. It relies on the natural flex of the steel to slide smoothly over your belt loop and lock securely in place. You can attach or remove your keys with one hand in a split second, and it looks incredibly sharp. Ditch your stiff, uncomfortable jeans for the IGOLUMON stretch tactical pants. These things are built like an absolute tank from ripstop, water-resistant fabric, but they feature insane flexibility so you can move, hike, and work without restriction. The best part? The pocket layout is absolute genius. They have specialized, deep slanted pockets that securely hold your EDC knives, phones, and multi-tools without bulging or letting your gear fall out when you sit down. Keep your most valuable gear completely invisible with the Diodrio Anti-Theft Hidden Pocket. Whether you are traveling overseas or just commuting through a crowded city, this genius little pouch loops directly onto your belt and tucks securely inside the waistband of your pants. Made from soft, breathable fabric, it comfortably hides your emergency cash, memory cards, or spare keys right against your body, where pickpockets can't reach. It's the ultimate peace of mind for under $15. If you hate carrying a massive clump of keys, this titanium quick release is a game changer. Machined from solid, ultra-lightweight titanium, it allows you to instantly detach your car fob from your house keys with a simple push of a button. Leave your heavy keys at home when you go for a run, or hand off your car fob to a mechanic without awkwardly prying apart a keyring. It's incredibly secure, won't accidentally detach, and will literally last a lifetime. If your keychain is a heavy, jumbled mess, you need to upgrade to the Ainsisk multifunction carabiner right now. This is practically the Swiss Army knife of key organizers. Built like an absolute tank with heavy-duty metal and a rugged nylon strap, it features a genius dual keyring system, so you can finally separate your house keys from your car keys. It has a super stealthy built-in bottle opener and a strong snap hook that clips instantly to your belt loop or backpack. Meet your new favorite gentleman's carry. The Civivi Peterson design is a masterclass in modern folding knives. It features a razor-sharp premium steel blade that deploys ridiculously fast thanks to its buttery smooth ceramic ball bearings. The handle scales are incredibly ergonomic, giving you a rock-solid grip while keeping the overall weight super light for everyday carry. It is elegant enough for an office setting, but tough enough for real work. Check the link to see all the colors. If you are heading off-grid, folding knives just won't cut it. You need the Keyser fixed blade. This absolute beast is built for serious camping and survival. It features a razor-sharp, full-tang blade that can take a massive beating, paired with premium micarta handle scales that actually get grippier when your hands are wet or sweaty. It snaps perfectly into a custom Kydex sheath that you can mount directly to your belt or backpack. Stop letting your expensive gear rattle around and scratch your phone. The Hide and Drink pocket holster organizes your everyday carry with pure class. Handmade from gorgeous full-grain leather, it features custom slots that perfectly hold your favorite knife, pen, and flashlight in an upright, easy-to-grab position. Over time, the leather breaks in and develops an amazing custom patina based on how you carry it. It's the ultimate way to protect your gear and your pockets. Every single EDC setup needs trauma gear, and the ITOKEY Mini First Aid Kit is the best way to carry it. This kit takes up basically zero space, packing down into a rugged microscopic tin that easily slips into your pocket or sling bag. But inside, it is absolutely loaded with the essentials: bandages, alcohol pads, sting relief, and safety pins. For just a few dollars, this tiny tin could literally save your day. Grab one for your bag and your glove box right now.